Hello children, let's come back to our maths class. In the previous class we were dealing with exercise 8.4 and we have completed till sum number 5. Yes children, I hope you have completed all your homeworks. Okay, so today we are just going to continue the next sums. So take down your classwork, write down today's date and copy down question number 6 from exercise 8.4. Do not keep your works pending children, complete all your works on time. So now we are going to start with sum number 6 from exercise 8.4. So copy down the question. Copy down sum number 6. 2 dice are rolled once. Find the probability of getting an even number on the first die or a total of phase sum A. See, already we have completed, we have done sums in the previous exercise where you had a subpart, the first subpart, the second subpart, the third subpart. But here we are talking about the probability of two events at a time because they have just combined the two events using OR. So you have to just use your formulas and you are going to get your answer. So read the question properly. 2 dice are rolled once. So 2 dice are rolled once. We have to find out the probability of getting an even number on the first die or a total of phase sum 8. Okay. So let's start the work. So if a single dice is rolled, you know the answers for it. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you get n of s is equal to 6. But here we are going to roll 2 dice at a time. So what will be the outcomes for it? Already we have done this in our class. So just write down here. So s is equal to sum number 6. So first you may have 1 and along with 1 you may have 1 because we are rolling 2 dice at a time. So 1 comma 1, it can be 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Okay, this is all starting with your first dice you may have 1 and in the second die you may have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. We may have the first die as 2. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Just continue further. You know how to write down. Then we have 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Here 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So these are the number of possible outcomes. So we have totally 36 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and we have 6 rows. So 6 6 are 36. Just write down here. Therefore n of s is equal to 36. Write down. N of s is equal to 36. Okay, have you taken on this? Write down all the outcomes properly. Do not miss out any outcomes. So S is from 1 to 1 and we get till 6 comma 6. and have written the total number of outcomes as n of s is equal to 36. Have you copied the sample space and n of s? Okay. Now let's see the question here. What is the question here? The question says that find the probability of getting an even number on the first die or a total of phase summing. So we have to take two events here. I'll take the first event as A. Let A be the event. Let A be the event of getting an even number. Simple. I'll just complete it. Let A be the event of getting an even number on the first die. So this is the first die and this is the second die. First, second, first, second, first, second. So now what they are asking here, they are asking you that you should get an even number on the first die. Getting an even number on first. So I will write out what is A first of all. First die even number. Even number means I want this line. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. So all the first outcomes are even. Again here all the events, all the outcomes are even. 4, 1, 4, 2. I am not talking about the second number. I am talking only about the first number. Because the first number should be an even number. So 4, 4, 4. It's an even number. Then again I have this line. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Take down the values, the members you have written. I write out all the possible outcomes here. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then we have 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. We have 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. I have written the value for A. Just write down the value for A. So it's 2, 1. So we are just talking about the event where you have the first number as an even number. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Okay, so now let's write down n of A. So once I know what is A, I can write down what is n of A. So what is n of A? Write down here. N of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. N of A is equal to 18. Once I know n of A, I can find out P of A, the probability. So what is P of A? P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. P of A is equal to n of A upon n of S. So this is equal to 18 upon 36. No need to simplify, just keep this as it is. So I found the value for P of A, which is equal to 18 upon 36. Now let's go for the next part, the next event. The phase sum should be 8. Total of phase sum 8. And now here, let B be the event of getting Total of phase sum 8. Getting total of phase sum 8. Total of phase sum 8 means if I add the two phases, these are the phases, these are the outcomes, okay. If I add the two outcomes, I should get the answer as 8. That will give me 8. 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. So here the first line I am not getting the total as 8. Coming to the second line. Here, if I add 2 and 6, I get 8. Here, if I add 3 and 5, I get 8. 4 and 4 will give you the sum 8. 5 and 3 will give you the sum 8. 6 and 2 will give you the sum 8. So just write down here. B is equal to, here 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3, 6 2. So these are the possible outcomes which satisfies the given event. Okay, the total of sum is 8. See, 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 2 8. So n of b is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So p of b is equal to n of b upon n of s 5 upon 36. Do not simplify here. Simplification is not possible. Just keep it as 5 upon 36. Write down the event. So we have the sample space yes. Then we have defined the event A, where you have to get an even number on the first die. Then I have defined the event B, which is the event where you have to get a total of phase sum 8. I have found out probability of A and also I have found probability of B. Probability of A is 18 upon 36 and probability of B is 5 upon 36. Now here we are talking about A or B. Yes, it's not separated, it's together. They have combined both the event. So now what is the next step here is we have to find out A intersection B. We have seen a formula is P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So we are going to use the formula over here and we are going to get the answer. So before using the formula, we have to find out what is common in A and B. So let's find out the common part in A and B. I write down here, A intersection B is equal to, what is common in A and B? Just see here. I'll just start from B because there are only 5 members earlier. So 2, 6. Yes, we have 2, 6. 3, 5 is not because we have a number starting from the even number. So 3, 5 is not present here. 4, 4 is present. Yes. And 5, 3 is not here. We have 6, 2 present here. So what is common to A and B together? We have 2, 6, 4, 4 and 6, 2. Write down A intersection B. We have taken down A intersection B as 2, 6, 4, 4 and 6, 2. Okay, have you taken down? So once you know A intersection B, now you have to write down what is the n of A intersection B, and after finding n of A intersection B, you have to write down what is P of A intersection B. Just complete that step. So I get here n of A intersection B is equal to how many elements are here? 1, 2, 3. So n of A intersection B is equal to 3. I'll just rub this part. Down. Therefore, of A intersection B is equal to N of A intersection B upon N of S. So this is equal to 3 upon 36. So I found the value for P of A intersection B also. It is N of A intersection B upon N of S, which is equal to 3 upon 36. Now, I am just going to apply the formula. The question is, two dice are rolled once. Find the probability of getting an even number on the first die or a total. Or means you have to find out A union B. So here I will find out. Therefore, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. I will find P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Okay, so now we know the value for P of A, we know the value for P of B, and also we know the value for P of A intersection B. So we are just going to substitute all the values and we are going to simplify it. So let's substitute. So what is P of A? 18 upon 36. P of B 5 upon 36, and A intersection B is 3 upon 36. So see, that's why I have not simplified, because we are getting all the denominators common. If you simplify that again, we have to make the LCM and we have to do this step. So here just keep the denominators same so that the calculation will be easier. So 18 plus 5, 23 minus 3, 20 upon 36. Then divide by 2, 2 tens are 2, 18s are 2, 5s are 2, 9s are. So the answer is 5 upon 9. So the required probability is 5 upon 9. So we have found the answer as 5 upon 9. So we have completed our sum number 7. So what was the procedure, children? The first procedure was to write down the sample space. After writing sample space, you write down N of S. Then you have to define the event that is given to you. So here A and B, we had two events. You have to define the event. You have to find out N of A. You have to find out P of A. Then you have to find out N of B and P of B. And after finding that, you have to find out A intersection B. Then N of A intersection B and P of A intersection B. After finding all the details, you have to just apply the theorem on probability. It is P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Substitute the value and you get the answer. If a simplification is possible, you have to do the simplification. Okay, this was our sum number 7. Yeah, it was 6, yes, sum number 6, and your homework will be sum number 7, 8 and 9, because all the 3 problems are based on this type. So you have to just find out these 3 answers. Your homework, sum number 7, sum number 8, sum number 9. Mark all the homework questions. 7, 8, 9. Have you completed, children? Now you can copy down question number 10. Take down question number 10. The probability that a person will get an electrification contract is 3 upon 5, and the probability that he will not get the plumbing contract is 5 upon 8. The probability of getting at least one contract is 5 upon 7. So what is the probability that he will get both? So here all are being dealt with probability. So we will directly start the answers with probability. Write down the question. The probability that a person will get an electrification contract is 3 upon 5 and he will not get a plumbing contract is 5 upon 8. And they have given you one more probability that at least one contract. At least one contract means A union B is known. Okay. And find the probability that he will get both, that is intersection. So you have to find out P of A intersection B. So you should know what is given to you first properly. So what is A? I will define the event first of all. This is sum number 10. So A is the event. Let A be the event of getting electrification contract. So it's related to electrical work. Okay, children? Electrification contract. And what is B? It is about the plumbing contract. So I write down here, let B be the event of getting. Don't write here not getting, I am just talking about getting. Getting plumbing contract. Let B be the event of getting plumbing contract. Let A be the event of getting electrification contract and let B be the event of getting plumbing contract. Okay, now let's see here. So now let's read the question and let's find out what is given to us. The probability that a person will get an electrification contract, he will get a contract. So that is P of A is equal to 3 upon 5. He will get a contract? Yes, he will get a contract. It is 3 upon 5. Now, the next statement, he will not get plumbing contract is 5. He will not get plumbing contract is 5 upon 6. So, it's P of B naught. He is not getting this. He is getting is B. Not getting is B dash. This is equal to 5 upon 8. So, P of A is 3 upon 5. P of B dash is equal to 5 upon 8. What else is given to us? Getting at least one. At least means he may be in one or he may be in the second one. So A or B. Around P of A union B is equal to 5 upon 7 and you have to find out P of A intersection B dash. This is what I don't know. Did our steps. So I know what is A union B. I don't know what is the intersection. Did all the given parts. Okay, children, come on, apply the formula. So I'll directly use the formula. Before using the formula, one step. If I have to use the formula, I should know the value for P of B. But I know here the value for P of B dash. So from this value, I am going to find out P of B first. Write down here P of B. Okay, say P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B. P of B dash. Already we have used these formulas in the sums. So P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B. So this is 5 upon 8. So I get here 5 upon 8 is equal to 1 minus P of B. Just interchange them. So I get P of B is equal to 1 minus 5 upon 8. 8 ones are 8 minus 5, B upon 8. Okay, so we have found P of B. So I know P of A, I know P of B, and I know P of A union B also. I just write down the formula. I have told you that I can just replace these two values. I have already given you these two formulas. P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Or you can just interchange these two. You can have P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. So according to the given part and find part, you can use the formula. So I am going to use this formula because I have to find out this value. Okay. I write down here. P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. I have just taken out the formula. P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Substitute the values. This is 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 minus 5 upon 7. So here the denominators are not same. So we have to take the LCM. So LCM, all the numbers are different. So you have to multiply all the numbers. 40, 5 is a 40, 40 into 7, 4 7s are 28. So LCM is 280. So this is 3 into, I have to multiply here by 8 and 7. And here I have to multiply by 5 and 7. And here I have to multiply by 5 and 8. So 5 into 8 upon 280. I hope you are clear with the step. 5 8s are 40. 40 into 7. So 7 4s are 28. So we have a 0 to be added. I get 280. See here 5. So I have multiplied by 8 and 7. But 8 is present. So I have multiplied by 5 and 7. Here I have multiplied by 5 and 8. Okay, done children. So let's simplify this further and do the calculation over here. So 8 3s are 24 into 7. 7 4s are 28. 16. 168. Plus 15 into 7. 105. 25 into 8, 200 upon 280. The formula is minus, so we have your minus sign. Be careful with the signs. This is minus. So 168 plus 105. 273 minus 200. So I get 73. So 73 upon 280. This is the answer. So we have found the answer as 73 upon 280. Take down the answer. It's 73 upon 280. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Very easy sum. So you have to find P of A. They have already given to you. P of B was not given to us directly. So you have to find out P of B. And P of A union B was given to us. So using all these details, you have to find out P of A intersection B. And we have got our answer as 73 upon 280. Now copy down question number 11. Take down sum number 11. Take down sum number 11. Go for sum number 11. Another question. In a town of 8,000 people, 1,300 are over 50 years and 3,000 are females. If it is known that 30% of the females are over 50 years, What is the probability that a chosen individual from the town is either a female or over 50 years? Either a female or over 50 years. So this is the question. Take down the question properly. In a town of 8,000 people, 1,300 are over 50 years and 3,000 are females. It is known that 30% of the females are over 50 years. What is the probability that the chosen individual from the town is either a female or over 50 years? So first of all, you have to identify what is given to us. So now here two things are given. One is over 50 years and one is it is a female. So write down. Let's A denote individual over 50 years. Okay, this is above 50 years, you have to denote it as A. And if it is a female, you have to denote it as B. Let B denote female. Okay, B is representing females. Okay, now let's see what is given to us. In a town of 8,000 people, that means the total sample space is 8,000. So N of S is equal to 8,000. Okay, done. I have found what is the total sample. The total population of that particular town is 8,000. So N of S is equal to 8,000. 1,300 are over 50 years. 1,300 are over 50 years. That is A. So N of A is how much? 1,300. N of A is equal to 1,300 over 50 years. 3,000 are females. How many females are there? 3,000. So N of B is equal to 3,000. So I know the total population of the town, that is N of S is 8,000. I know how many are above 50 years, that is 1,300. And how many are females, that is 3,000. Now, what is, they are saying that it is known that 30% of the females are over 50 years. That means both, they are female as well as they are above 50 years. So it's a combination of A and B. So both means intersection is known to us. And on N of A intersection B is equal to N of A intersection B. How many are female plus 50 years? 30% of the females. So 30% of the females means 30% means 30 upon 100. How many females are there? 3,000. So 30% of the females are above 50 years. So 30 upon 100 into 3,000. 1 0. I have cancelled here 2 zeros. So 1 from here and 1 from here. Or you can directly cancel 2 zeros from here. So 30 into 30. 3 3s are 9 and 2 zeros. So it is 900. So I have just written all the details that was known to us. Okay, have you taken down, children? So the total population was 8,000. So how many individuals are above 50 years? 1,300. And how many are females? 3,000. And both female plus 50 years is 30%. So 30 upon 100 into female population, that is 3,000. So we get 900. So now we have found all in terms of N of A. Now you have to find out P of A, P of B and P of A intersection B. First, let's see what to find out here. So what you have to find out here, individual from the town is either a female or old. Or comes means it is union. So you have to find out P of A union B. So this is what we have to find out. Okay. So I'm going to find out all in terms of probability. So right here, P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. N of A is 1,300 upon N of S is 8,000. Do not simplify, just keep this as this. Next, P of B, N of B upon N of S. What is N of B? 3000 upon 8000. 3000 upon 8000. And P of A intersection B is equal to N of A intersection B upon N of S. It is 900 upon 8000. Okay, I have this found all P of A, P of B and P of A intersection B. Now we have to just find out one more thing, that is P of A union B. Now you know the formula. Yes, we have to just substitute the formula and we have to get the answer. Let's substitute the value. So here, therefore P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. I have told you, you can just use this according to the given part and to find one. Okay, let's substitute the value. P of A is 1300 upon 8000 plus 3000 upon 8000 minus 900 upon 8000. I will substitute the values. So this is 4300 minus 900 upon 8000. Just find out this. 0, 0. 3400 upon 8000. I get 3400 upon 8000. Let's try to simplify it further. If I simplify, I get the 0, 0 and 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 17s are 2 40s are. 2 17s are and 2 40s. So we have found the answer for P of A union B as 17 upon 40. So just write down here the answer is equal to 17 upon 40. You can just write down the final statement. Therefore required probability. So in all the sum you can just write down this step. Therefore required probability is 17 upon 40. This is our answer. Therefore required probability is 17 upon 40. I hope you are clear with the sum, children. Yes. So this was our sum number 11. I have one more sum for your homework. You are going to complete sum number 12 as homework. And you can try out sum number 12 as your homework. I'll just give you a hint for sum number 12. See, sum number 12 is like your sum number 9. And already we have done the sample space for tossing a coin 3 times. Yes, you remember that I have given you the space, you know, head, 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 tail, head, tail. Again you have to write down this head, tail, head, tail. And in the first line I have told you to add head in all the answers. And in the second term I have told you to add T to all the lines. So sum number 7, 8, 9. It is with two events, okay? 7, 8 and 9 deals with two events, A, B. Like you have to use that formula, P of A in B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And sum number 12 will be dealing with 3 events. We have already written the formula for 3 events. Yes, P of A union B union C. There is P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A, and last plus P of A union B union C. So I just want you to try out sum number 12. Because if you have understood this sum, that means you should know how to apply this. Okay children, so you are going to try out sum number 7, 8, 9, and along with these 3 sums you are going to try out sum number 12, which is going to deal with 3 units. Okay, so here all 2 units. Already we have done the sums based on this. So now here how many units will be present? 3 units will be there. I want you to try out sum number 12 as your homework. So try out, do not keep any work pending. I will be correcting all your homework. So complete all your works properly. And we have 2 more sums left in this exercise, which will be continued in the next class.